Cast-in-place water stops are great, but there's one problem, and that's joining them. You'll need a special welding iron and a jig specific to your profile, along with clear space to perform the welding operation. Let's take a closer look at how this works and another option to significantly reduce the weld joints required. G'day, my name's Rob, and on this episode of Concrete Compass, we'll be taking a quick look at how we can join cast-in-place water stops. First, you'll need to make sure the ends of your water stop profiles are cut straight and true to provide a good joint. Next, place the ends to be joined in the welding jig, making sure they pass each other by around 10 or 15 mil. Test the jig to make sure you have good alignment. Now you're ready to weld. Insert the preheated iron and bring the jig together to begin melting the profile. After 1 to 2 minutes, you should have achieved the melt on each side of about 5 mil. Open the jig and move the iron side to side to release it. Now bring the jig firmly together to complete the weld. As you can see, this process provides a perfectly welded impermeable joint, but doing this on site can be challenging. Remember, I said at the start of the video we had another option. It's simple, ask for Waterstop in a big barrel. Using Waterstop big barrel, you can significantly reduce the number of joints required. We can provide standard water stops in rolls up to 280 meters in length, and ranging in size between 150 mil and 320 mil for rearguard and center stop profiles. If you've got a long run of water stop to install, the big barrels are the answer to a faster, easier and simply better water stop installation. If you've got any further questions about water stops or anything else concrete related, reach out to one of our experts at Allcon today. And don't forget, subscribe and follow as we release new Concrete Compass videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.